All right, guys, welcome back. We're on the move.
Track number 26. Track number 28. Track number 26. Track number 28. Track number 26. Track number 28.
Bicycle. So guys, this is coach class. This is where I'm at. Yeah, so I'm in the last coach, so you know what? Let's get in here because it's warm here. And if they tell us to strap it out there, that's what we'll do. Well, hopefully. Hopefully that ought to do it. Yeah, guys, he just told me to go. I'll come up in here. Let me just run down to the other side there and see if there's some, maybe a larger space up there, guys. Okay, guys, so basically, we I think are good over here, but I am gonna find, there is a strap there. So instead of stripping down or strapping down the helmet, I just strap down the bike here. Yeah, there we go. Right, so she's strapped on that side. And yeah, unless the good folks tell me otherwise, I'm just gonna leave it right there. Did you guys say St. Louis? Oh, St. Louis. Yeah, this is St. Louis. I hope it's St. Louis. Yeah, this is the 301. I don't think the train separates, but these ladies were like, hey, we're traveling to Chicago. We're in Chicago. Hey, how you doing? This is the St. Louis one, right? Yeah, right here. No, because some girls came in here and they're like, is this for Chicago? I'm like, what? No, you are in Chicago. This is St. Louis. They walked off. Hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now. Over and out from the 301 service to hopefully St. Louis. See you on the other side.